Welcome to Review Rumble. The best baby nail clipper is probably one of the most essential yet surprisingly tricky items to get right for new parents, as keeping your little one's tiny fingers safe and well-groomed requires a tool that's both effective and incredibly gentle. We've all been there, nervously trying to trim those razor-sharp baby nails that seem to grow at an alarming rate, and the fear of accidentally nicking a delicate finger is a common worry, making the choice of nail care product a significant decision in ensuring your baby's comfort and safety during this routine task. Number 5. Safety First Fold-Up Nail Clipper, 2 count. Introducing the Safety First Fold-Up Nail Clipper. This set includes 2 clippers, perfect for keeping one at home and another on the go. The curved clipping edges are designed to be just the right size for your baby's delicate fingernails. Achieve a precise and safe trim every time. You can clip with confidence thanks to the easy grip handle. It provides a secure and comfortable hold, making nail care less stressful. Crafted from a combination of stainless steel and plastic, these clippers are built for long-lasting use. They are a reliable choice for your baby's grooming needs. With 2 clippers included, you'll always have one readily available. Keep one in the nursery and the other in your diaper bag for convenience wherever you are. What we like? If you're looking for a simple and reliable option, this is a great choice. Its curved edges are perfectly sized for tiny nails, and the easy grip handle ensures you can hold it steady. You should consider this if you want a no-fuss solution for everyday nail trimming. What people say. Makes nail clipping on babies and toddlers easy. One thing I love is the easy grip on them. It's safe and design is smooth. It cuts nails easily and quickly. They are easy to use and comfortable in your hands when a baby or toddler is flopping around while you are trying to clipping their nails. Very easy to use. With many other clippers I find that I struggle with pressing them down, especially when trying to clip thick nails like the thumb or toe thumb, but this one makes it much easier. Lightweight, easy to grip handle, and it's a nice bright color so it's easy to see in case it's underneath a bunch of things in your bathroom drawer. The handle folds nicely and it's sharp, safe, and easy to use. Number 4. Frida Baby Basics Kit, 6PC Baby Essentials. Introducing the Frida Baby Basics Kit, your all-in-one solution for common baby discomforts. This practical kit is designed to tackle snot, gas relief, nail clipping, and delicate skin care with ease. Our nasal aspirator creates a gentle seal to effectively clear nasal passages without causing discomfort. Disposable filters ensure hygienic use, providing your little one with much-needed relief. Soothe a gassy tummy with our innovative gas relief tool. It safely and naturally helps to release trapped gas, providing instant comfort for your baby. Trimming tiny nails is now stress-free. Our uniquely designed nail clippers feature a safety spy hole for precise cutting and curved blades for safe, smooth snipping. All the tools in this kit are crafted from materials gentle enough for newborns. You can be confident in safe and effective use without any irritation. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for baby care, all conveniently packed in a silicone carry case. It makes the perfect gift for new parents. What we like? If you're a new parent who wants peace of mind, this is the one for you. The unique safety spy hole lets you see exactly what you're cutting, preventing any accidental nicks. You should consider this if you prioritize maximum safety and precision during nail trimming. What people say. The baby nail clippers are designed with a built-in LED light that illuminates the nail, making it easier and safer to trim tiny nails in low light conditions. It features a rotating blade that follows the natural curve of the baby's nail, preventing accidental nicks or cuts. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip for parents, ensuring precision and control during trimming. Number 3. Safety First Light Zoom Nail Clippers. Introducing the Safety First Light Zoom Nail Clippers. Its magnifying glass zooms in, allowing for precise nail trimming with ease. This tool features a mini emery board that's curvy and easy to use, perfect for tiny child nails. Don't let dim lighting stop you. It has a built-in LED light that illuminates even in low lighting conditions. The easy grip design ensures comfortable handling for you during use. Ensure safe and accurate nail care for your little one with this thoughtfully designed clipper. What we like? If you often find yourself trimming nails in low light or struggle to see tiny nails clearly, this is the perfect tool. The integrated LED light and magnifying glass make it easy to see every detail. You should consider this if you need enhanced visibility for precise and confident nail clipping. What people say. I love the light and the magnifier. Very well made, and it has a sleek design. The built-in light and magnifying glass make trimming so much easier and safer. Super helpful for keeping baby's nails neat without worry. With light and magnifying lens help me look and cut extremely precise. Plus the light is acting like a distraction for my toddler. Number 2. Yasew Baby Healthcare and Grooming Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for your newborn's care. It includes a brush, comb, thermometer, nail clippers, and much more, all in one convenient package. We've prioritized your baby's safety with BPA-free pacifier clips, a comfortable digital thermometer, rounded safety scissors, and a precise medicine dropper. Everything is designed for gentle and accurate use. The ultra-soft bristles of the hairbrush and comb are perfect for your baby's delicate scalp. They gently manage cradle cap and soothe your little one during bath time. Keep all your baby care essentials organized and accessible in this compact, durable, and washable case. It's perfect for travel, ensuring you're always prepared on the go. This essential baby care kit is a thoughtful gift for new parents, ideal for baby registries. It's a must-have for every newborn girl or boy. What we like. If you're preparing for a new baby or want a complete grooming solution, this kit is ideal. It includes not just nail clippers but also a thermometer, brush, comb, and more, all in a handy case. You should consider this if you're looking for an all-in-one baby care package for convenience and travel. What people say. It includes many things we use for the care and hygiene of our little ones at home. It's easy for on the go or traveling. Perfect little grooming kit for baby. I love that it has an ear scooper with a light. Number 1. Frida Baby Electric Nail Buffer. Introducing the ultimate solution for your baby's nail care needs. This all-in-one device functions as a gentle trimmer, precise file, and smooth buffer, ensuring delicate nails are maintained safely and comfortably. Designed for exceptional control and stability, its ergonomic grip fits comfortably in your hand. The lightweight construction allows for precise maneuvering around tiny fingers and toes, even when your little one is on the move. It features a unique customization system with 4 color-coded buffer pads tailored to different age ranges. From newborns to toddlers, there's a perfect setting for every stage of your child's growth. Say goodbye to shadows and poor visibility. The integrated LED light casts bright, focused illumination directly onto the nail bed, enhancing accuracy even in dimly lit nurseries during nighttime care. Thoughtfully engineered with a self-standing base, it stays upright between uses. The convenient storage system keeps your most used buffer attached for quick, one-handed operation whenever needed. What we like. If you're concerned about accidentally cutting your baby's skin or want the gentlest approach, this electric nail buffer is a game-changer. It safely files and trims nails without any sharp edges, and the LED light helps you see clearly. You should consider this if you prefer a modern, safe, and comfortable way to manage your baby's nails. What people say. The nail clipper is designed with a built-in LED light that illuminates your baby's nails, making it easier and safer to trim them, even in low-light conditions. It features a rotating blade and a safety guard to prevent accidental cuts, ensuring a smooth and precise trim every time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for better control and maneuverability during use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.